Hello friends, I am Salman Farsi. I am 9 years old. I am in class 3. The shapla is our national flower. It is a large and showy flower. The shapla plant grows in fresh water. It has a stem that remains under mud. This stem is called shaluk. The shaluk is taken as float on your water. The shapla is found in beaches, jhels, house and the pond. Shapla is blooms in the rainy season and also in the autumn. It is of many kinds and colors. Some are white in color, some are red, some are pink and some are blue. Everyone likes shapla. Thank you.